Excuse me. Good morning. Happy Wednesday to you all. Um, Allergies are bothering me, but hopefully you picked up your do now and you saw that it is a review for scientific notation, which is what you will be doing for do nows for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. Again, a reminder, your mastery check on similar figures will be on Monday, March the 27th, and hopefully I will be back on that day. So let's look at our do now for today. It says express the following numbers in scientific notation. So before we begin, let's remember the scientific notation starts with a number between 1 and 10 times 10 that's raised to a power. So for each one of your answers, this number here should be between 1 and 10, and then you're going to have times 10, and then the power tells us if it's negative, the decimal point move to the left. If it's positive, the decimal point move to the right. So let's look at this. We need a number between 1 and 10. So if I start here at this decimal point that's given, and if I keep moving, is that between 1 and 10? No. So I keep moving. Is that between 1 and 10? No. Is that between 1 and 10? Yes. So my leading number for this one will be 1.25. My decimal is here. How many spaces did I move? 1, 2, 3. So to get from this new decimal point to my original one, it was 3 spaces. But because I moved to the left, we moved 3 spaces to the left. Because we moved to the left, it's going to be -3. So 1 in 25 hundredths times 10 to the -3 power. Let's look at this one. If you have a number, a whole number that does not have a decimal, your decimal point goes behind the last digit of that number. So that's where our beginning point will be. Okay? So let's keep moving this decimal point. Is that between 1 and 10? No. Here, no. Here, no. Here, no. Here, no. Here, no. We're at 2,000, so we got to keep moving. Here, no. Here, no. Here, yes. Okay? So here's my decimal point, and we have to go from here to here. In this case, we're moving it to the right. How many spaces did we move it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we moved it to the right 9 spaces. So my leading number is going to be 2 times 10 to the power of 9, because we moved it to the right. This one does not have a decimal point either, so we're going to put it here. Okay? So we need to keep moving it until we get between 1 and 10. Here, no. Here, no. Here, no. Here, nope, we're at 79. What about here? Yes, 7 and 9600. So that's going to be my leading number. So to go from here to here, to get back to my original, I'm moving my decimal point to the right. How many spaces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we moved it 5 spaces to the right. So that means it's going to be times 10 to the 5th power. All right, this last one, 872. No decimal point. So we're going to add the decimal point at the end of your number. Let's move it. Is this between 1 and 10? No. Is this between 1 and 10? Yes. So my leading number is going to be 8 and 72 hundredths. To get from here to here, I have to move it to the right. How many spaces? 1, 2. So it's going to be 8 and 72 hundredths times 10 to the second power. Okay? We're going to take a pause as you put this in your math folder and then go to Canvas for today, Wednesday, March 22nd. Okay, you should have opened up your Canvas page for today. Sorry, I got ahead of myself. You should have your Canvas page open to Wednesday, March 22nd. And the first thing you're going to complete is the Desmos Simple Figures activity. This is going to walk you through finding the corresponding sides, corresponding angles, and finding out whether they are similar or not by solving using a proportion. Once you finish, you're going to submit it, and then there's in IXL AA17, the side leads and angle measures that you should be able to complete to 80%. If you finish that, then there is on Canvas the similar figures classwork practice for you to begin working on. So you'll be working on that today and tomorrow. So today you'll be doing the Desmos activity. Then you will go to the IXL once you submit your Desmos. IXL will automatically submit once you get to 80%. If you score lower than that, it will be considered an incomplete. And then you're going to go back to Canvas and click on the similar figures classwork practice. Do not submit that because you will not finish that today. I have it marked for today and tomorrow for you. So that's your assignment for today. And if you finish that, make sure that you finish Monday and Tuesday's assignments, including the IXL AA14. All of this is listed on Canvas with the due dates attached to it. So have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will be back with you tomorrow morning. Have a great day, guys.